Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, I have a BASI Euro cylinder here that was sent to me by Randy Perkins. Again, Randy, thank you for all the awesome locks you sent me. I really appreciate that. Yeah, this is the one with the elephant on it, with the key in his trunk. Some of you may remember a little while back, Lock Noob sent me a padlock, a BASI padlock, because, well, my daughter's into the elephants pretty much. But, well, yeah. We will, oh, there we go, I got the key to work right away that time. Sometimes this key hangs up pretty good. Got to play with it to get it to work. But when it does, there we go, it does work very smooth. But, anyway, this is the bitting on it. We're going to try to get in there and, well, probably take a look at what's inside of there. I think I could get in there with this. Pretty much a standard hook here from the 12-piece set from Banggood, and I think I'm going to have to use this tension wrench. This is a 40 thousandths from Peterson pry bar. That fits pretty good. Alright, let's see what we have here. Okay, I'm trying to get under one. I'm trying to work out this ledge right here without slipping off of it. I got a little click from one. Little click from three. Ooh, maybe a little click from four. Crunchy click, I think. Oh, and there's five, and I got a pretty deep falset right now. Off of five. Alright, let's see what else we have. Okay, some deep counter right here off of two. Very deep. So I could set him without losing. Oh, and we're open on two. Okay. Alright. That wasn't too bad, but that was some deep counter off of two. And it was a pretty deep falset there off of five. Sorry about that. But I tried to give the camera a little bit different angle when I was picking it. Grab my pinning tray here. Alright, well, we could lock this up. I know there's got to be a pretty deep spool there. On two anyway. Alright, let's see if we get this clip off of here. And then that's a pretty strong clip. Alright, what have we got it? Yeah, let me actually aim this down even more for you guys. Okay, if I could get the key to work again. There we go. I probably should shim it, just to be safe. Okay, 5-pinner. All the pins are in there. They're all working. They all look like they're standards, but we will see. Standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and a standard in 5. So we have all standards down below. Nothing done there. Pretty sure this is just a stock lock with a very deep falset though, off of 5, and a deep spool, and I believe 2. Okay, we have a very long standard in 1. here is that deep spool in 2. It's a commercial spool. Very deep one though. We have a standard in 3. These are long standards. Can make a nice challenge lock with these probably. Then we got another deep spool in 4. 5 has to be... Okay, that was a standard that got us that deep falset off of one of those spools there. Probably 2, because we had to pick number 2 in order to get it open, so... Alright, well, that's pretty much what we have, guys. We have all standards except for a spool up here on top of 2 and a spool up here on top of 4. But all in all, still a fun pick. I like picking spools. I always have a blast picking those. But yeah, alright. Well, Randy, thank you for sending me this lock. Again, I really appreciate all the awesome locks you sent me. But yeah, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.